Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know how it get down. Anytime you change a fuel pump in any kind of car, you're not going to just start it. You're going to have to take the key and you're going to turn it a couple times. Forward. Do it 3-4 times. 2, 3, 4. And the reason why you're doing that, because you got to prime the fuel pump. You need to get the fuel pump out of the air. It has to come from here all the way to from the back all the way to the front of the engine. And there you have it. That is priming the fuel pump. You must prime the fuel pump 100%, or put in the fuel pump, you're not going to start the car. This is just a mechanic tip. I'm here on your side, customers. I'm here to help everybody. And I thank you for being wonderful subscribers and new subscribers that are going to become subscribers. And please, I'm kind of high because I've been in this gas tank all half the day. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and please leave positive comments. Thank you.